Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain Agentforce Vibe and how Agentforce Vibe works and how Salesforce developer can use Agentforce Vibe inside a VS Code to build smarter and faster Salesforce solution. So firstly, we'll understand about what is Agentforce Vibe. Agentforce Vibe is a developer-centric AI experience inside a VS Code that helps the Salesforce developer design, build, and optimize the code using the natural language process. Instead of manually writing Apex code, configuring agent action, and switching between the multiple tools, Agentforce Vibe allow you to describe what you want and it assists you with Salesforce aware AI suggestion. Okay, how does the Agentforce Vibe works? It works. The MCP is the backbone of a Agentforce Vibe. Agentforce Vibe uses MCP to feed a Salesforce specific context into the AI model running inside a VS Code. Okay, MCP is nothing but a context layer and Agentforce Vibe is nothing but a AI experience layer. So firstly, we'll see what is MCP. MCP is nothing but a model context protocol. It is a standardized way to provide a real-time context to AI models. In simple terms, we can say MCP defines how an AI understands the environment and it is working in. The context can include Salesforce metadata just like as object, fields, relationship, and it also includes the Apex classes and triggers. It also includes the LWC component, and also it can also read the understand the security permission and the overall structure. Okay, without MCP, AI is the mostly generic. With MCP, AI becomes the deeply aware of your Salesforce or how Agentforce Vibes works with using MCP. Okay, MCP gathers a context such as objects, all the standard objects and the custom objects. It also understand or it also gathers the fields, validations and relationship. It also understands the existing Apex and LWC code. Okay, this context is passed to the AI model using MCP. So AI knows your object structure, understand the required fields and respect Salesforce limits and security. Okay, because of MCP, Agentforce Vibe generate an accurate Apex code. It can suggest a correct agent action, avoid invalid fields or objects. It follows all the Salesforce best practices. That is why Agentforce Vibe feels a Salesforce native rather than a generic AI. Okay, so let's move on to the practical demonstration. Okay, so firstly you need to create a project and after that you need to authorize an org. Okay, and after installing the there is a one prerequisite, that is you need to install the extension pack. Okay, Salesforce extension pack, and make sure the Agentforce Vibe is also included inside the Salesforce extension pack. Okay, after installing the extension you need to create a project and you need to authorize your org. Okay, and after authorizing an org you can see the Agentforce Vibes symbol here. Okay, then after you need to click on this Agentforce Vibe. Okay, this is nothing but Agentforce Vibe and this is the MCP. You can see the one MCP server is right now active. Okay, this will understand our project structure and all the metadata. Okay, so right now you can auto approve the all the steps from here. You can allow him to read the project files, read all the files and edit the project files and execute a save command and use of MCP servers. You can allow the permission to the Agentforce Vibe so that it can generate an accurate response. Okay, I'm giving him a prompt, write a trigger on account when account is created, create a contact related to account. And Okay, this is generating the file for me, and as you can see, it is generating the contact creation handle class. It is also generating the meta.xml file. It follows all the Salesforce best practices. So as you can see, it is also writing a test classes for us. So meanwhile, we can see the advantage of MCP in Agentforce Vibes, or we can see the advantages of Agentforce Vibes. It it generates a code accurately. Okay, no guessing. Everything is based on the real or data. Okay, it respects the field level security, object permissions, and sharing rules. It is a faster iteration, less trial and error free, and fewer fixes. Okay, first okay, and it works consistently across a developer or QA and production out. Okay, so the it writes the handler class and the meta XML file as well as the test class. Okay, so right now I'm going to deploy all these classes. Okay, okay, I deployed the handler class successfully, and now I need to verify. Okay, so for this, firstly, I'm going to hardly refresh the all. Okay, so I forgot to deploy the trigger class. Okay, so I also have to deploy the trigger. Okay, now I deploy all the files, and I'm going to create another account. Agentforce Vibe. Okay, and I'm going to save it. As you can see, the our trigger is working fine. Okay, this is what I have created. I have created an account. Okay, and the trigger automatically creates a Agentforce Vibes without writing a single line of code. The whole code is written by the Agentforce Vibe. It reduces the manual, it reduces the developer effort. Okay, Agentforce Vibe transform the VS Code into an intelligent Salesforce development environment. If you want to learn more about the Agentforce or Agentforce Vibe, make sure to follow this channel and stay connected for upcoming deep dive videos and hands-on demos. Thank you for watching.